All right, we're back. We're gonna do a little test of the old BuildMaven. What do they call this thing exactly? The new Grease Zerk Rejuvenator in red. I did an unboxing video earlier. Let's do a quick recap. Comes with 4 extra O-rings. There's instructions in here that we'll take a look at here. Basically what you're looking at. Penetrating oil, plunger in, tappy tap tap, hydraulic pressure of the compression, bust through your clogged Zerk, if you will. We could do a couple like just quick measurements on this, give you some ideas what you're dealing with. It's about 6 1/4 inches long with the plunger in, plunger out, 5 3/4. Plunger width is about 3/4 inch. It's pretty substantial. I mean, it doesn't feel light. Let's grab these instructions and go them real fast. I'm not going to read them because last time I tried to read them, I struggled. I'm a bad. I have to read through the camera. Yeah, we hit the high points. Take out the piston, put in the penetrating oil. Make sure the O-rings are seated. Put the cleaning tool on the Zerk. This is the Zerk we'll be using today. Unfortunately, it's not a clogged Zerk because I don't have any clogged Zerks because I just don't, but we're going to demonstrate it. Tap it repeatedly. Use the vibrations of the tap. If it doesn't clog, let it sit. Key points. Emphasize tapping, not a forceful blast. Lightweight hammer. We're going to be using this this antique relic of a hammer because why not? Obviously, once you're done, you got to put a lot of lube back in the thing because it'll clean your joint out. So let's see how we do here. I have pre-deposited some, well, that's just WD-40 in this, that's 10 milliliters. Let's see how much it'll take. I've heard not to use aerosol because the extra air doesn't help. You want just fluid only. I've let this sit for quite a bit, and we'll see how she goes here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to throw some gloves on real quick. Give me 1 second to grab a set. 1, 2, just for, I don't know, eating snacks later. I don't have to taste the penetrating oil. Safety is always a good idea, and it's always good to put it first. All right, here we go. I really don't know how much this takes as far as how much it will take. I don't know if, yeah, let's give it a try, see what happens. Oops, sorry, I just hit the camera with my hat. So 10 mils filled her all the way to the top. That's going to be probably too much. Pour a little out. Because I know you want to get both of these rings seated. So that's a fully loaded guy there. So it's just, how much went back in? Just a little bit. So you're probably talking like 7 milliliters. And then you would press it onto your Zerk. There she's pressed. Take the yield hammer. So you really see how that's bouncing back up. That's the hydraulic pressure. I'm looking to see if I'm getting any fluid leak out. And she's going in. You don't want to just whack the living tar out of it. And it pops right off. A little bit of fluid there. That's basically how it works. Now, in a true clog situation, there'd be a little more work than that. You'd be tapping and setting and soaking because at that point you've tried everything, and this is a solution after you've tried everything. I've used a similar product in the past. They do work. You just have to be patient with them. Like the instruction said, you may have to let it sit. Because typically, where I've had problems in the past are skid loader buckets where they're in the dirt. That dirt gets in there and it kind of forms like a, I don't know, a grease oil dirt concoction that just won't allow you to press any more grease in. So, not a tool you want to use every day of the week, but when you need it, it's a solution. It solves a problem that I've struggled with in the past. Right tool for the right job. Stay safe.